The transmission and PTO do turn. I can engage the PTO by hand down here, turn the belt pulley or the PTO shaft on the back, and those turn freely by hand. If I engage the transmission and the clutch just right, I'm not sure how I did it, I can turn the PTO shafts and get the tractor to rock back and forth on the back wheels. Just give a quick overview video from around the tractor here. Again, this is a 1940 WC Allis. Get a picture of the serial number here. There's the serial number, WC 100502. I believe this tractor was set up for a cultivator due to these brackets here. The brackets here on the back, as well as the brackets on the front. This little plate I am going to try and salvage as a memento as well.